Hello, everybody. What is the 16th duty of an accredited pollution control officer? Ano po yung panglabing-anim na duty ng isang accredited pollution control officer per Section 10 of DAO 2014-02? Sabi po sa Section 10 of DAO 2014-02, it says, submit to the Pollution Adjudication Board a copy of the Self-Monitoring Report or SMR duly received by the respective EMB regional office, applicable only for establishments with pending case. So ang isa pong accredited PCO representing a certain project or establishment duly accredited by DNR EMB, kailangan po mag-submit ng kopya ng self-monitoring report sa Pollution Adjudication Board, lalong-lalo po kung mayroong pending case sa PAB. Usually naman po ng mga cases sa PAB, violation on the provisions of RA 9275 and RA 8749. Lalong-lalo pagdating sa mga exceedances sa standard set by DNR for effluent and for emissions. So kapag may pending case ang isang kumpanya, ang isang establishmento sa Pollution Adjudication Board, hindi naman nag-i-stop ng pag-submit ng self-monitoring report sa EMB Regional Office. Yung kopya na naipasa po sa EMB Regional Office ay pwede ring ipasa yung copy nito sa Pollution Adjudication Board. At yan po ay duty ng isang accredited PCO na mayroong pending case ang nire-represent niyang project o establishment o kumpanya. Ang pag-submit naman ngayon ay madali na yung ating self-monitoring report. We can submit through online the self-monitoring report. Pero yung notarized copy na isinabmit sa online self-monitoring report system, ipapareceive din po personally doon sa Pollution Adjudication Board located in Quezon City. So that's the duty of the Pollution Control Officer, to submit to the Pollution Adjudication Board a copy of the self-monitoring report duly received by the respective EMB Regional Office. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Kung gusto niyo pa pong malaman yung tungkol sa permitting, registration, and reporting requirements, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Maraming salamat po.